In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a disclaimer in HubSpot emails. This essential task is commonly useful for adding those important notes or legal disclaimers to your emails, ensuring recipients are well informed about the content or policies related to your business communications. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Google, type in HubSpot CRM and hit search. You should see a link to the HubSpot CRM software. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're in the HubSpot CRM site, you'll need to click on the Get Started Free button. This process will prompt you to either log into your existing account or create a new one if you haven't done so already. Choose the account option that suits you best, and once you're logged in, continue forward with the user details provided. Next, you're going to need to select the account you'll be working with. If you have multiple accounts, select the appropriate one and continue with it. Now that you're inside the account dashboard, look for and click on Email. This will lead you to the Email Management section of HubSpot. To create a new email, locate and click on the Create Email button. HubSpot will present you with different options on how to proceed, like choosing a sending method. Follow your preferred sending method, and as you proceed, you'll have the option to select a pre-designed template or even start from scratch. Once your choice of template is loaded, you need to decide where to place the disclaimer. Many businesses typically prefer adding disclaimers at the bottom of their email templates, specifically in the footer section. This ensures the disclaimer is present but non-intrusive, maintaining a clean look for your email. With that decision made, scroll down in your email or template editor to locate the footer section. Click to edit the footer module. Here, you can type or paste in your chosen disclaimer text. Consider using a smaller font size or italicizing the text, which helps distinguish it from the main content of your email. If relevant, you can also insert hyperlinks to your business's privacy policy, terms of service, or an unsubscribe option. Now that your disclaimer is inserted, don't forget to save your changes. Saving the template with the new disclaimer ensures that any future emails you send using this template will also include your important disclaimer information. And there you have it. You've successfully added a disclaimer in your HubSpot emails. This small but critical step ensures that your emails convey the necessary information while adhering to your business's communication policies. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.